Okay, ladies, you get to pick 3 items from this bucket.
I didn't like that you laughed at my choice.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I failed to not do.
You're welcome to take off your blindfolds and examine your items. You're gonna get just a minute or 2 to examine them.
Oh, good.
It's my octopus that I thought was.
Ew! Really? Is this because of the what's in the box? Am I being punished? Is that?
So, anything that are in the bags together, if there's 2 items, what's in there you have to use to attach the other item to the pumpkin. That's the rule.
Vaseline and pubic hair? Really?
And
so bad.
and there are no tools. The only tools we had were in the other box. So if you didn't get a tool,
What's my tool? This?
sure. Zanna, before we start, I'd like you to open your box.
Stop.
Those not nipples.
Open the box.
Oh, great. It's old nipples.
Alex, these are yours. Remember the ones that were stuck to the wall?
Zanna's like, oh, good.
They're real nipples.
Yummy. Hey, those were good to me.
I'm going to be starting your timer. You get 20 minutes to decorate your pumpkin. You have to use every item you were given. You don't have to use it entirely. You just have to use every item.
Do we have to decorate like the whole pumpkin or like a face?
However you want to.
Okay.
All right, ladies, your 20 minutes begins now.
I know how to like, oh, why is it in pieces?
Be a model, they said. It would be so fun, they said.
I could like literally just like,
Now remember, you have to attach it with the petroleum jelly.
I know.
Is this just not going to listen to me?
Why? Why? Where did you find this? Why? Why?
It's Susie's wig.
Are you making me?
Of course
No,
it is.
I
I just want to know what an eyeball looks like.
I'm like, you better change those standards real quick.
Amy, you gotta use the jelly to attach it, not
I'm
the glue.
okay. Don't rush me. They will be used in
rush me.
conjunction.
So I'm
You
curious.
can't rush art.
Is this what that is? I have no idea what to do with this. I have no idea what to do with this.
Ruins my nails. I'm gonna be triggered.
Please don't dead eye me while you do that.
This is nice. This is really nice. It's so good we get to spend time together like this.
Yeah, it's great.
I will do a little confession for you though. This is the first pumpkin I've ever decorated.
I'm so sorry.
What?
Yeah. Make sure you do it with like an actual pumpkin and like cute, not like this. It's fun.
Hey, paper towel.
Nope.
No.
Probably should have did that last.
I don't want to.
It wasn't.
Oh, God, you're going back.
I'm telling mommy.
Will you stop? No.
Make sure you dig into that fancy feast. I can't hold anything because I have Vaseline all over my hand.
Oh, no.
Uh,
Can I get a hot glue gun? Because this ain't sticking.
Right?
Yeah.
That's why I was like,
Yeah, these don't sting.
okay.
I can't get this open.
Why are you using your mouth for everything?
I can't. Can she help me open it?
Don't use your teeth.
Why?
Well, I can't because I got Vaseline all over my hands.
Get out of here.
Play music. Please? Play music?
Because we won't hear you.
Okay. What?
We won't hear you if we play music.
Oh,
I said the same thing.
I'll just play it in my hand.
Want me to sing to you?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Just kidding.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What
Baby.
do we do? We swim, swim.
It's
You
actually
baby
pretty
shark.
impressive.
Thank you.
I'm very impressed by that.
What, by my voice or by my pumpkin?
I mean both.
Can I have more? I would like something to use for a nose. I don't know what to do with it.
Has to stick your crunchy cat food on.
Can I crush these up to make eyeshadow?
Ooh. Oh, very creative,
Ooh.
Alex.
Innovation.
Damn it.
Minutes.
Do I have to use all of the lettuce? I'm done. No way. Oh yeah. I made it. Shut up.
Stop.
Look, Kayleen made it. Look, Kenzie. Ew, look at your slime.
This is disgusting.
Oh,
it
it
smells
smells
like cat food so bad.
No. Oh,
You haven't even opened the wet cat food yet.
I know.
Can I have one of your maxi pads? I'm just kidding, please don't.
Ever girls in need.
Maxi pad indeed.
If you would have told me a year ago that I'd be crushing up cat food on camera, probably still would have believed you. We've done some good stuff here.
What you gonna do there, Alex?
You know.
Feed it. Like put something like hanging out its mouth or something. Ah. Is that your food?
Honestly, not a bad idea. Yes, what do you want me to use? I don't have a lot of utensils right now.
I like how Courtney labels her scissors because we steal her stuff all the time.
Sorry.
Oh, that smell! Ah ha ha! Oh boy. But I need to make sure that these glue and stay.
That's actually really good.
I like the eyebrows. That was the first thing I thought about. I was like, ooh, eyebrows.
It reminds me of that teacher off of SpongeBob.
Right?
Fall off.
The one who gives him his life. Mrs. Puff! Mrs. Puff, that's right.
At the beach.
Yours is actually pretty cute.
He has a beard.
And then on the side it says this Halloween's gonna be huge. But he did have little lettuce soup there, and then it fell off. Is the mouth still on? Okay. He has a beard made out of cat food. He's also been eating cat food.
It's like a stubble. Sexy stubble.
yeah.
Cat food.
Yeah.
Stubble. Is it weird that I'm hungry
I made
now?
a bra.